These notes will walk you through how to sign up for free online Python software that you can use anywhere. The files will be stored in the cloud. Therefore, you will not need to download and install idle on a computer in order to work. We're going to take a look at an alternative to using idle. If you have no computer, then it's no problem. PythonAnywhere.com is accessible via a browser. For instance, on your tablet. You can work in the cloud. You will still need to submit your program files for grading through Canvas. Alright, let's see how we can get set up. The first thing you're going to need to do is to create an account. Create an account using your camdencc.edu email at pythonanywhere.com. This is what the web page looks like. Watch the video. That will help you understand how to get set up. But once you do that, you're going to start a beginner account unless you want to pay and get a hacker or web dev account. But I suggest you start with a beginner account. If you decide that you want to continue and upgrade a little bit, you can do so at a later time. I'm going to create an account, create a password, and register. Take the tour. So you can be using the console to try out code and files to store and save your programs that you will submit through Canvas. Jupyter Notebooks is available if you have a paid subscription, not available with the free account. I'm going to end the tour.